Hello my friends and welcome back to the TodayMachine channel. At Copper Tube JSC, advanced manufacturing technology drives every stage of copper tube production. The factory uses 99.99% pure copper cathode as feedstock, fed into continuous casting systems that deliver billets with superior metallurgical uniformity. On cutting-edge rolling and drawing lines, these billets are transformed into pancake coils, level wound coils, and straight tubes. During rolling, precision controls monitor wall thickness, diameter, and ovality to meet rigorous standards. Each tube undergoes annealing in a controlled atmosphere furnace, restoring ductility and preparing the material for coiling. After cleaning and brightening, the tubes are guided into automatic coiling machines, where they are wound into compact copper coils, commonly known as pancake coils or level wound coils. By combining discarded-less production techniques, tight process control, and world-class testing, company ensures its copper tubes deliver the precision, performance, and reliability demanded by HVAC systems, refrigeration, shipbuilding, and electrical industries globally. At the JMW exhibition, the company proudly showcases its position as a leading manufacturer and supplier of copper-based products, including high-quality wires and cables designed for electrical, industrial, and communication applications. JMW's production integrates a full range of advanced metallurgical and processing systems that ensure performance, conductivity, and reliability across every product line. The manufacturing process begins with the upcast process, OFC oxygen-free copper, where pure copper cathodes are melted and cast upward into smooth oxygen-free rods. This method guarantees exceptional conductivity and mechanical strength, suitable for high-end cable applications. Parallel to this is the continuous cast rolling line for FRHC rods, which converts fire-refined high-conductivity copper into precisely dimensioned rods through continuous casting and rolling, offering consistency and reduced oxide inclusion. Following casting, JMW employs the bright annealing process, where copper wires are heat-treated in a controlled, inert atmosphere to enhance flexibility and restore ductility while maintaining a bright, clean finish. The paper insulation process follows, in which multiple layers of high dielectric paper are precisely wrapped to provide electrical insulation and mechanical protection for specialized power cables. In addition, the company features a 120 extrusion line for precision aluminum and copper extrusion, as well as a 7 bobbin skip stranding machine for compact conductor formation. The aluminum rod breakdown line further demonstrates JMW's capability to produce fine aluminum wire with uniform tensile strength. Quality assurance is reinforced through a state-of-the-art R&D and testing laboratory, equipped with modern instruments for conductivity measurement, tensile testing, elongation analysis, and microstructure evaluation. Every process is governed by stringent international standards, ensuring that each product meets the high demands of today's electrical and energy sectors. JMW Company highlights not only technological excellence, but also the company's long-standing commitment to innovation, precision engineering, and sustainable manufacturing in the global wire and cable industry. At the expert cable plant, copper rod and busbar production is carried out in a modern copper processing workshop equipped with advanced metallurgical and rolling technologies. The facility processes up to 800 tons of high-quality copper per month, using only premium copper grades M00 and M1 to ensure superior electrical conductivity and durability. The production line manufactures copper rods ranging from 8 to 25 millimeters in diameter, designed for further use in cable and electrical applications. In addition, the plant produces both soft and hard copper busbars with widths up to 250 millimeters, suitable for switchgear, transformers, and power distribution systems. Every stage of production, from copper melting and casting to drawing, annealing, and surface finishing, is carefully controlled to maintain precise dimensions and consistent material properties. The combination of high-quality raw materials, automated processing, and strict quality control allows expert cable to deliver products that meet demanding industrial standards and ensure long-term electrical reliability. NNN. Havells Cables and Wires Manufacturing is among India's leading power distribution equipment producers. The company specializes in industrial switchgears, motors, capacitors, lighting, and a comprehensive range of cables, making it the second largest cable manufacturer in India. The Alwar facility produces high-voltage and low-voltage flame-retardant cables, low-smoke cables, power and control cables, fire survival cables, and solar cables up to 66 kilovolts. All processes begin with premium raw materials, subjected to stringent mechanical and electrical testing. Wire drawing, stranding, and compacting are performed with precision to ensure optimal conductivity and minimal AC losses. State-of-the-art CCV extrusion lines provide insulation in a controlled, pressurized environment, followed by twisting, laying up, and inner sheathing for multi-core cables. Zinc-coated armoring protects both single-core and multi-core cables, while an in-house PVC outer layer ensures durability and flame retardance. Each cable undergoes extensive validation, including tests for conductivity, flame resistance, smoke density, and thermal stability. Finally, cables are coiled, labeled, and shrink-wrapped for secure transportation. Havells cables consistently meet superior quality and international safety standards. The drum twister line is a critical production system in cable manufacturing, designed for laying up insulated round or sector-shaped conductors and for steel wire armoring and screening of power cables. Featuring rotating payoffs and take-ups, adjustable lay pitch, and automated tension control, the line delivers high precision and throughput for large diameter cable cores. A PLC-HMI interface allows operators to set direction, speed, and pitch, while individual drives keep each element in sync for smooth operation. Designed to handle conductor outer diameters up to 160 millimeters and armoring configurations with dozens of steel wires, the drum twister line enables cable producers to meet ever higher performance standards with speed and reliability. NN. A 120mm extrusion line for the wire and cable industry is a highly specialized production system tailored for high-volume insulation or sheathing of cable cores. These lines are typically configured with a 120mm screw diameter extruder, often with an L per D ratio of 25:1, enabling the processing of thermoplastic compounds such as PVC, PE, or halogen-free materials. In operation, the conductor or cable core is fed through a payoff station and enters the extruder where the sheath material is melted, pressurized, and extruded through a die head. Downstream, cooling troughs and caterpillar haul-offs maintain the correct speed and dimensional geometry. One example of a 120mm jacket extrusion line shows capacity of up to 650 kilograms per hour and finished cable outer diameter within the range of 15 to 40 millimeters. Modern lines employ PLC or industrial computer control, gravimetric dosing systems to maintain consistent material weight per meter, and servo-driven haul-offs aiding precise pulling. These 120mm extrusion lines enable cable manufacturers to meet stringent performance requirements for insulation thickness, material uniformity, and continuous high-speed production while minimizing scrap and energy use. Kundoat Point Ein. The twin-spindle manual coiling machine allows two coils to be loaded simultaneously, minimizing downtime between coil changes. One mandrel feeds while the second remains preloaded and ready, ensuring continuous operation. A hand-adjustable brake ensures proper tension during unwind cycles. The structure is non-powered and compact, which saves energy and floor space. Ideal for coil feeding and processing lines, this system improves productivity and efficiency in roll forming, coil feed, and stamping applications. The Boast Series rigid strander line from Bosdemir delivers high-performance stranding for rigid cages, accommodating connectable reel diameters of to 560 mm and E630 mm in full compliance within 46,397 standards. Precision is ensured through motor-controlled pintle movement and active speed control, allowing consistent tension and alignment during operation. Pintle activation is fully automated, while the integrated safety cabinet protects operators throughout the process. A practical loading system streamlines material handling, complemented by stable synchronized rotation powered by a robust gearbox-driven mechanism. Dynamic air sockets and laser-controlled wire tension maintain uniformity across strands, even at high rotation speeds. Designed for efficiency, safety, and precision, the Boast series sets the standard for modern rigid stranding operations. Nemrden. The fully automatic armature production assembly line represents a high-precision, integrated system designed for mass production of electric motor armatures with exceptional efficiency and consistency. The line performs a series of automated operations including shaft pressing, end plate pressing, commutator pressing, insulation paper inserting, winding, commutator welding, wedge inserting, and final armature testing. Each process is seamlessly synchronized to ensure accurate assembly and optimal mechanical balance of the armature. The production line is composed of specialized equipment, a shaft pressing machine, end plate pressing machine, commutator pressing unit, insulation paper inserting machine, winding machine, commutator hot stacking and welding system, wedge inserting unit, and a fully automated testing station that verifies electrical and mechanical performance parameters. Depending on operational requirements, 3 conveyor configurations are available: S1, S2, and S3. The S1 system supports the armature directly on the shaft, which allows easy handling but may risk minor shaft deformation. The S2 configuration supports the armature on the lamination stack, offering better shaft protection and lower operational noise. The S3 conveyor design places the armature on a precision conveyor plate, combining superior shaft protection, low noise levels, and an aesthetically refined appearance. With advanced automation, reliable process control, and reduced manual intervention, this armature assembly line guarantees high productivity, consistent winding quality, and long-term durability, ideal for modern electric motor manufacturing. The automatic BLDC motor winding machine integrates advanced needle winding technology, offering exceptional speed, precision, and stability for stator coil production. Capable of simultaneously winding 14 strands of wire, the system significantly improves stator winding efficiency while maintaining consistent quality. The fully automatic machine is specifically designed for brushless and BLDC motor stator coils, combining high-speed performance with ease of operation. Operators manually load and unload stators, while the machine automatically completes mold clamping, precise winding, wire clamping, and cutting. Multi-tapping functionality can be programmed directly through the HMI, allowing exact control over stator slot numbers and turn counts. The needle winding system supports parallel winding of multiple strands, ensuring uniform tension and accurate coil formation across all wires. Built-in remote diagnostic capabilities enable real-time monitoring and troubleshooting, minimizing downtime and improving overall productivity. The machine's design emphasizes both efficiency and operator safety, with automated controls and intuitive HMI settings simplifying complex winding processes. By combining advanced automation with cutting-edge needle technology, this BLDC motor winding machine delivers a reliable, high-quality solution for modern motor manufacturing, meeting the rigorous demands of industrial production while optimizing cycle times and reducing manual intervention. The ADTB 1250 double twist buncher is a high-performance machine built for cable manufacturing, allowing double twist stranding of 7 to 19 copper or aluminum wires. It uses a PLC-controlled system to preset pitch and twist direction, supports bobbins up to 1,250 millimeters, and achieves line speeds around 180 meters per minute. In the quiet town of Sirius, Ohio, the D Picking Company stands as a living testament to America's coppersmithing heritage. Established in 1874, this family-run workshop has been shaping and hammering copper for nearly a century and a half. Crafting kettles, cookware, and specialty items, using techniques virtually unchanged since the 1850s. Inside the small brick building, the rhythmic sounds of hammers striking copper sheets echo through the air, a sound that has defined generations of artisans. The process begins with pure copper sheets, cut and formed into shape following time-honored patterns. The seams are brazed using a brass and borax mixture, then heated to nearly 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, creating strong, flawless joints. After an acid bath removes oxidation, each piece is hand-hammered or planished, giving the metal both its signature luster and remarkable strength. No two kettles are exactly alike, each bears the unique imprint of its craftsman. From candy kettles for Russell Stover and See's Candies, to timpani drums shipped as far as Sweden, D. Picking's creations blend artistry with precision. Despite the march of modern industry, this workshop remains defiantly traditional, heated by wood stoves, powered by experience, and led by descendants of founder Daniel Picking, including his 99-year-old great-granddaughter. Every gleaming copper vessel produced here embodies the same spirit of craftsmanship and endurance that has kept D. Picking alive for over 140 years, a place where time stands still and true hand craftsmanship continues to shine. Georg Jensen silversmith Jesper Nordo began his apprenticeship in 1989, dedicating 4 years to mastering the craft before continuing as a full-fledged silversmith in the workshop. Entering the field without prior formal training, he embraced traditional craftsmanship while learning the intricate techniques of silver shaping and forming. Every tool, especially the hammer, is highly personalized. The hammerhead and shaft are meticulously crafted to fit the user's hand, ensuring precise control during metalworking. This attention to ergonomics and detail is essential when transforming flat silver sheets into complex, polished forms. Nordo's work often draws inspiration from the organic style pioneered by earlier silversmiths, creating shapes that were once considered impossible due to their fluid, unconventional contours. Each piece demands exacting precision, as no two items can ever be identical. Slight variations in curves or angles can be detected even through advanced scanning, highlighting the artisanal nature of the craft. The Georg Jensen workshop combines technical mastery with creative vision. Designs reference traditional silversmithing techniques while remaining modern, functional, and aesthetically striking. The meticulous shaping, hammering, and finishing processes ensure that each product reflects both centuries of heritage and contemporary innovation, maintaining the company's reputation for elegance, durability, and flawless craftsmanship. Non-T Designing Pulley of Corsian. At the workshop, the copper bowl is first carefully inspected and cleaned, ready for detailed finishing. Initially, the edge is rolled, a method that gradually curls the rim while maintaining consistent thickness. Using a large raising hammer, the copper is worked around the circumference, shaping it evenly. Each pass is repeated several times, allowing the metal to form without cracking. Small imperfections and tiny holes are corrected using a stake to ensure strength. The final planishing smooths out all irregularities, producing a polished, uniform edge. After hours of precise hammering and shaping, the copper bowl's edge is fully formed, prepared for subsequent finishing steps. The binding wire manufacturing machine produces high-quality steel wire used extensively in construction for tying and reinforcing purposes. The process begins with premium raw material, typically steel wire rods, which are carefully selected to ensure uniformity and strength. These rods are fed into the HB machine, where they undergo initial straightening and surface preparation to remove impurities. Next, the wire moves into the furnish stage, where it is drawn through precision rollers and dies to achieve the required diameter. This stage also enhances the wire's tensile strength and flexibility, essential for construction applications. The wire then enters the fine machine section, where it is further refined and smoothed, ensuring consistent diameter and surface quality. After approximately 4 hours and 30 minutes of continuous processing, the wire is ready for coiling or spooling. Automated tension control throughout the line guarantees uniform mechanical properties and prevents defects such as kinks or uneven thickness. The final binding wire is durable, flexible, and corrosion-resistant, meeting industry standards for reinforced concrete and general construction. This fully integrated production line ensures efficiency, quality, and reliability for demanding construction projects. FRHC. The wire nail making machine is designed to manufacture high-quality nails efficiently from steel wire. The process starts with premium wire fed into the machine, which straightens and cuts it to the desired length. The wire is then automatically shaped, forming the nail head and point with precision. Advanced dies ensure consistent size and strength, while high-speed operations allow mass production. Finished nails are collected in bins or spooled for packaging. This machine is suitable for various nail types, including common, roofing, and finishing nails. Its automation, reliability, and consistent output make it ideal for industrial and construction applications. ADTB. Polsci Electromash stands as a leading manufacturer of electric motors, pumps, and electric cooktops in western Belarus. The facility operates a fully integrated production cycle, combining skilled personnel with advanced equipment. Its modernized foundry produces gray cast iron components with exceptional mechanical properties, alongside aluminum alloy castings for motor housings and precision parts. Client-specific designs can also be accommodated, ensuring energy efficiency, reliability, and continuous operation. Rotors and stators undergo hundreds of precise operations, including shaft machining, rotor assembly, stator lamination stamping, enamel wire winding, and insulation impregnation. Series production features multi-speed motors with built-in thermal protection, as well as explosion-proof models for chemical and petrochemical industries. Three-phase and single-phase asynchronous motors are manufactured to rigorous standards. Through innovation and technical expertise, Polsci Electromash has become a Belarusian leader, delivering durable, high-quality, and reliable industrial motors and pumps for a wide range of applications. Nestled in Semarang, Indonesia, Point Alutama Aluminium has been a pioneer in the aluminum extrusion industry since 2012. It all starts in the billet casting facility, where carefully selected raw aluminum is melted and formed into semi-finished billets. Each billet undergoes precise spectral testing to ensure the correct chemical composition, before entering the homogenizing furnace to reduce segregation and improve workability. From there, the billets are transformed into mill finish extrusions, with meticulous quality checks to ensure every profile meets client specifications. An aging process strengthens the extrusions, while premium anodized and coated finishes provide durability, abrasion resistance, and striking aesthetics in a variety of colors. With 3 advanced production lines, Alutama produces up to 350 tons of aluminum per month. Flexible molding stations allow intricate designs and complex components, all crafted by skilled professionals on state-of-the-art machinery. Certified to international standards, Alutama delivers high-performance aluminum extrusions built to last.